Hey friends, it's Tracy. Welcome to today's video where I'm excited to share my brand new little website and my blog. Now, guys, this is my Shopify website. After losing my husband just a few short months ago, I needed something new. And so I've been really praying about it. And also, I wanted something that would integrate into my YouTube channel. And I was on WooCommerce, and that didn't really integrate very well. And so Shopify does. So I wanted to share it with you here today in this video. So this is a space for me to honor the journey, cherish what matters most, and continue creating what I love. So guys, what you'll find here is I have some of my finished products on here. These are just a few things. It is the fall season. So these are just a few things that I have. I do offer shipping included within the 48 United States. So the price does include the shipping, so there's no added fees or anything like that. And so you can check that out as well. Now, like I said, I am going to honor my journey. And so I have lost my husband of 30 years. We were together 33 years, but in July of 2025, I lost him to a sudden heart attack, And so the thing is he wasn't sick. There was no indication. And so it's all in God's plan. And I say that because my faith is what has gotten me through, and also your prayers. And so he was a true man of God. And I know that he has been promoted to heaven, and he is watching out for his family, and he is with me every single day. This was just a sweet picture from our 30th anniversary. He loved Texas Roadhouse. That was our favorite spot to go. And so I've just been sharing just a little bit of my journey, my widow journey, and that kind of thing. I was sharing some on my personal Facebook page, which I will continue to do, but I know there are a lot of people that do not do Facebook. Anyway, so if you're interested in that, I will have that, as well as my finished creations and my favorite shop guy, my Amazon store. That is something that I get questions about a lot. My Amazon store is right here. These are just pictures that you can, click on to see, the Excelsior, the sisal grass, all the different colors that I use, as well as my paintbrushes. I do get questions about that. These are my favorites, guys. This is what I use most often in my videos. Also, the antique wax and the different antique wax and the Kills Dark wax. All of that good stuff is here. So you can find it very easily here on my here on my website. And so this is just something new, and I hope that you're excited just about the different things that I have going. I prayed and asked God to show me what he wants me to do. I just needed to change. And so this is where he is leading me. So I do have a section for free patterns. I just have a couple on there now, but I'll continue to add to that, as well as my free fonts. Or they're not mine. They're actually, I just found them on dafont.com. You just click on the font name. It'll take you to dafont.com. Those are the ones that I recommend if you want to, find out more about those free fonts. And I do appreciate you so much for just sticking with me and everything. And so, like I said, the Shopify app does, or the website does integrate with the YouTube. And so right now, yay, a while ago, it just had this one on here. So it's continuing to add my products to the store. So by the time you click on it, it may have more things on there. But these are just, it takes just a little bit of time to integrate and that kind of thing. So I'm super excited that I do have this option right now, the store tab here on my main channel, and so that you can check it out. This is one of the most requested questions that I get is, do you sell your finished products? And so I do. So if you click on it, it'll take you right there to the website. There's no pressure or anything like that. I just wanted to have an avenue, a way to, offer some of the things. I will continue to do wreaths and stuff for my sister store that is in Brenham, Texas, Select Furnishings, which is off of Highway 290 West in Brenham, Texas. I will continue to do some wreaths for her. But right now I'm just really listening to what the Lord is telling me. And right now, I just need to take a little step back and just evaluate myself and, continue to lean on Him. And I do appreciate all of your support. You can check out more what's on my blog or on my website. I do have the DIY wood kits, the essential stencil. I have all of this good stuff. Thank you so much for watching this, checking out the new web store. And if you want to read about my widow's journey, I do appreciate your support. Have a great day. God bless you. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.